Coming to you live from the Carnation Automat, the arena where code collides with cars. In the next 3 hours, 3 developers will battle the clock, armed with just an OpenAI API key and raw creativity. No chance, no second chances, just code, glory, and pressure. Come, let's beat the code.
So guys, my name is I'm the marketing director of Carnation. And Carnation is basically to use both foreign used cars and also as you can see hapa even for a GR. This is a 2018 version. In this one tunaweza peana na board haya purchase via bank finance. Na kiangalia hapa pia kiangalia on the other side there's audio nale. Hiyo inaenda pia na purchase na bado tunaweza pata na finance.
My name is Scott Bradley. I'll be your host in the next 3 hours. I'll be broadcasting live from Carnation, yeah, and stay tuned. Where codes collide with cars.
Yeah, hi guys, I'm Nixon Ochen. I'm a software engineer. I'm glad to be a part of this hackathon.
Hi guys, my name is Michael. I'm also a software engineer. I'm glad to be here and to see what you can do for your place today.
Hi, my name is Yvette Wangui. I'm a software engineer and I love building solutions with AI.
Hi guys, my name is Lucky Anthony. I'm a full stack software engineer and I'm here to have fun and to learn too.
Thank you guys, thank you for coming. So basically what we're going to do, we're going to be building a solution for Carnation using OpenAI API. And so we'll have 15 minutes to brainstorm and the 15 minutes discussion.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, so the 15 minutes has stopped. Now we'll basically explain what we're going to build. Yeah, hello guys. So what I'm going to build, a maintenance cost predictor. So basically, it will help someone to know their cost if they buy a car. So you're going to input the car model, the year, mileage, and location, and then it will estimate maybe the fuel costs, maintenance costs, insurance, and then you know if you are able to manage the system. For the tech stack, I'm going to use React frontend, Flask backend, yeah, and obviously OpenAI. So, yeah, that's it.
My solution will be forecasting vehicle prices and making recommendations to the sellers. So it will take in current stock data and historical sales data, and then it will be able to, and also the market sales information, and then it will be able to give recommendations on which cars to bring in as stock, which cars are selling more, which cars they shouldn't bring in, and yeah, that would be it.
Hi again. So I'm going to build an AI-powered assistant and agentic workflow for the Carnation employees, particularly the salespeople, where they instantly recommend the best car for each customer based on their preference, their lifestyle, and their budget, and also family size and maybe fuel performance. So for my tech stack, I'm going to use Next.js for the front end and back end. I'm also going to use the OpenAI API key for now the assistant, and also I'm going to use Lindy AI for my agentic workflow.
Yes. Hi everyone. So for me, I'll be building a Dream Drive matcher to basically be matching a customer's preferences to the cars that are here. So if you prefer, it will prompt you some questions to know your preferences. If you want a 4x4, if you want an EV, if you prefer a certain model, and after you've done, it will match for you and it will give you the recommendations that it has for the cars that it recommends to you. So for tech stack, I'll be using React.js and Flask 2 for backend.
Now basically that we all know what we're going to build. The 3 hours will start now.
Okay, let's go.
Onesha cameraman tuko wapi? Onesha cameraman tuko wapi? Now, after 1.5 hours, we want to see who's debugging the code and code's debugging. Nick, the paparazzi is here.
Yeah, so right now we've been able to upgrade the front end. You can see the front end. So this one is it. You can try to estimate it. You can try to okay. Let's see if it actually, yeah, you can see it has been able to fetch. You can see the annual costs. But now these are in the DB. I want to enable it to be able to fetch the cars from OpenAI. That's what I'm trying to work out right now.
No. So there's no debugs in your codes.
I faced some bugs, but I've been able to fix it.
Nice. Keep pushing. The guy, the paparazzi is here, man. The paparazzi is here. But how far away from making success?
So far, okay. Right now, I'm done with basically the backend type of way. I'm still working on the front end, and so and still debugging. So here you can fetch when you look for an off-road car under 2 million. Preference is petrol. Here you can see that it fetches for you as per Outback, and it gives you a story behind it. But I'm still working on some few bugs here and there. So
No debugs on your code?
I'm still debugging some. Yeah, still debugging some issues. And so obviously my front end is not as good. So,
All the best, my guy. Still have 1 hour. With 1 hour to go. 1 hour to go. Mambo ni shashi. Say.
So basically today, the solution I was solving, it's where many people when buying cars have issues where you buy a car and then it becomes a problem in the maintenance cost. Yeah, so that's where maintenance cost predictor comes in. So I'm going to demonstrate it. Demo it. You click on estimate the cost now. But first, before you go there, you can see how it works. You enter your vehicle details, analysis, and then you get the results. So estimate the cost, model. Which model you suggest? Yes. Okay. Perfect. And then you select the year. Okay. 2019. Okay, 2019. Mileage. 50K. And then you can select location. Stay in Nairobi. Your average monthly distance. 1,000. Okay. 1,000. Then you calculate the cost. I'm fetching data from the LLM. I can see that it has fetched. I can see the monthly cost, the fuel will cost minimum 1,400, maintenance cost 5,000. But it's more of annual. Annual, you can see it gives, it takes the fuel, the amount of fuel, maintenance, insurance, depreciation.
So yeah, 1,400 yen.
Which one?
The 1,400.
Here. But this is the fuel and then maintenance. I mean the average of month. So the annually it will cost you 512,000 to maintain higher in a year. And then when you scroll down, you can see more economical alternatives. Maybe it sounds expensive. Yeah. Extra annual savings, it will save 30,000, mass that 25,000, 105,000, 7,000. Then you can see the cost details, key considerations. This can pass it in your project.
So my name is Lynette, and as I said earlier, I was building an AI virtual assistant for the employees at Carnation, where they can help sell cars to buyers based on their preferences, their lifestyle, and their budget. So here I have the dashboard where you can see all the sales you have made, an inventory of the cars which are currently available, and you can search by the brand or filter, maybe by body types. We also have the customers you have, and also we have sales tools because we also do the trading estimators, so you can do the tradings. We also have a financial calculator of how to do the hire purchase, down payments, and also the interest. And you also have the payment tracking where you can see the customers who are yet to pay on their end. Like this guy is already overdue by 294 days, and you also can see the ones who are up to date. So for the AI virtual assistant, we have Carnation AI, where you can prompt it any questions regarding from the customer. So for example, you can have Ian who wants a black Mercedes that is within 2.5 to 4 million. So once you send it, the AI gives you back feedback. So it gives you suggestion on everything that he wants. So we're looking for a specific model. Let me know if you have preferences. And it gives you some. So we also have a feature that enables you to send an email to them directly once you can see from that side. So you fill in a form. So let's say can you use your email? You can be the customer.
So it's so many. So I could try.
For example, you sell, then you can put your budget. I choose go next. Then if you have any special requests,
If I can have trans, okay.
it's such a lot because we need to water.
Say how.
Maybe you have some features you like.
Uh,
The sunroof.
let's assume that I'm a fast card, so like I don't know about cars. Actually, just put in suggestions. So price range let's see. Am I in the budget?
In the area. So the agentic workflow works in a way that once you submit a form, it fills it in the spreadsheet, and now the OpenAI that is used to send and to draft the video and email, and within a few seconds you should be getting it. So since I see it myself as one of the like sort of an employee, you can find. So this is the same email you're gonna get. So it gives you recommendation on some orders, even an alternative, and why choose Carnation automatic or buying the car. That was all for my project.
Goodness.
For me, I was treating kind of a matchmaker between the buyer and the cars. So for my end, I was more focused on the customer. So this here you can find your perfect drive. It's AI powered name selection, all that. So you can get started. Here you start by choosing or answering a questionnaire on what you want. Whether you describe your driving personality, whether it's practical, it's adventurous, it's bold, or it's innovative.
It's also doing this.
Yeah, like go next. So where will you drive? Most options, streets.
And the next.
What's your lifestyle priority?
Let's say family. You can choose to maybe family and partners. Let's choose some.
Okay, so it's either budget friendly, mid range, or premium. You can choose either. So how do you like to drive? It's relaxed, it's irritable.
Relaxed.
So it basically gives you an overview of the cars. Okay, for me, if for you as the buyer, right? I've placed here like the cars that are in the buyer, so you can find the cars themselves. So for the best I've chosen for you, it's the Land Cruiser. First, your drive story, you can. This is just something I put there just for fun. It gives you a story that you can read. It's just for fun. Then it gives you some more options. You guys do this Subaru Forester, Outback, Lexus, Landmark Discovery, and from then on, after as you as a customer, you've chosen the car that you're going to use. When you've chosen it, now it will take you to your main website that it will. You will now communicate with the buyer or the salesperson. So yeah, that's basically like.
So is there a way that maybe we can feed now the? Is it a website?
Yeah.
Is there a way we can feed the website with our own inventory?
Yeah. So in the backend, I have incorporated. It's basically you can upload the pictures themselves, or you can add the features, and then when it's okay, this is just a demo version. So obviously when it's incorporated, we'll have a way that someone, if in the application itself, I want to add let's say a car, let's say an Audi, I can do that without having to go to the backend. So I can just take a picture and write the reviews of what I think about it, and I place it where the market price it is, and then it will automatically, when I come to search again, it will be there. Yeah, but that is a later version because this is just a demo version. Yeah. So for me, that's it.
Mine wasn't too complicated. It was simple. It was meant to provide a chat where the staff can do stock inquiries of the stock, maybe do pricing projections and estimations. So, say for example, and then it checks the backend. The backend, I had a database with sample data. So it will give you the current stock consists of the models and the pricing. If you want to do could you add pricing so it checks, it gives you based on current market trends, average prices, and adjustments based on what's in the market right now. So you can see like for bits, it gives you a description, it gives you the current price of it in your database, the market price, then it tells you whether you should consider lowering the price or bringing it up. So that this one says it's above market price. Consider a reduction. This one and the most above on the sample data. You could ask about let me check. I have done a version that uses the CRSP, but it's not showing on the front end side. But I had done some conversions where I took the current CRSP from the 2025.
So it fetches data from the carry.
No, you just upload it. You just upload the CRSP, then it converts it into a CSV file, and then into data that can now be read by the application, and then it can do its comparisons from there. Yeah. So it takes your CRSP, takes all the data from all the cars, and then converts it into this is JSON. It's just data that can be easily read by the application. Then you can ask it questions. So maybe I can do a terminal run for you so that you see how it would have been on the front end side if it was complete. So
And then also can the application be accessed with any other stuff? Ama lazima admin peke yake?
no, you can because it doesn't have any logins right now.
Nasema once it's maybe it's live, any other stuff anaweza like access the platform. Ama lazima admin peke yake?
Yeah, anyway, you can just set the So let's say compare our stock prices against CRSP boundaries and recommend adjustments. So it's given the output. Current stock prices are competitive compared to the market averages, but adjustments may be necessary for better alignment with CRSP values which are currently purchase of the number. And then it gives you the cards, the models, the descriptions, price, a good market price, and a note to consider if you want to put it up or bring it down. Yeah. So that was basically it. It's just to help you do market projections on the sales and see where you are with the market.
And actually, I'm impressed because hata sijui ndapeana marks gani because hizi ideas zote zenye project hapa hivi ni ideas zenye as a car dealer anahitaji na also as a client pia anahitaji. So for example, the first project ni kitu yenye client anahitaji. Like any person who is looking for a car anataka kuangalia the price and also najua msee ananunua gari ni msee mwenye pia anataka kuangalia hii gari is it worth my budget, like naweza maintain pia. So is one that naweza ipatia so you have to be fair. Okay. I'm not for the bad side, but I'll give it an 8 over 10. But it's a good idea, by the way. It's a good idea. Number 2 is the idea, madam. The idea favors most the dealership side. So hiyo ni idea tunaweza ipenda kuimplement pia on our side pia. Let's say I'll just give it a 9 over 10 pia. It's a good idea because it will favor the other side. The other project was number 3. Number 3 is an idea that favors the clients because unapata a lot of clients when wanabuy gari, especially the new base, they don't have much information concerning the car. So if we invest on his project, utapata when a client before calling us and afanye search, at least atakuwa na some sort of information before even reaching us. So it's a good idea. And I also give it I'll give it a 8 over 10 here. It's a good idea. The last project, it favors the car, and it's actually a good idea because most of us to import cars, but we don't have knowledge when other dealers wanauza magari huko nje. So unapata in some instances unapata maybe to overvalue price, tumekana stock yetu for like 1 month, tunashanga mbona nianze but goods. Okay, for instance unapata tumeovervalue gari, tumekaa nao for 1 month. But with the project our guy hapa hivi, before even putting our own price, at least tutakuwa tunajua this is the price that the other market is selling. I think it's a good idea that also we can also implement on our side. So mimi naweza sema tu ideas zote tu ziko fiti. In general, I'll just give it 10 over 10 because zote ziko fiti.
Yeah, thank you guys for coming. It's been interesting working with you. I've seen a lot of ideas. I thought I was good, but I've been challenged by the net. Yeah, but yeah. Thank you for coming. Yeah, it's been a pleasure having you. Yeah, that's it. See you next episode. Subscribe.